Hey team, I'm Josh. I've been installing TVs and soundbars for the last 4 years, so I've had to troubleshoot a lot of problems. In this video, I'll take you through the way that I'd fix a soundbar issue where you're not getting any sound from the bar. Please go through these steps in this order, even if you've already done it, as there's been many times I did one of these steps 3 times, and it wasn't until that 3rd time that it was fixed. Anyway, let's get to it. Let's start by making sure everything is plugged in correctly and the soundbar software is up to date. If you're using an HDMI connection, make sure it's plugged into the HDMI ARC port on both the TV and soundbar's end. If your soundbar has multiple HDMI ports, then plug it into the one labelled HDMI out. I can't count the amount of times a customer's ring me saying their soundbar isn't working and they've plugged it into one of the HDMI in ports, which won't give you any sound. So double check this. Set the soundbar to the ARC input, which may be labelled digital in, and same with the TV. If you've plugged everything correctly and there's still nothing, then unplug all other devices, especially a Blu-ray or DVD player. Once that's done, power both the TV and soundbar off at the wall, leave it for 10 seconds, turn the TV back on, and then the soundbar. This order is important because you want to give the TV time to boot up before connecting the soundbar. The other variation you could try is unplugging the HDMI cable from the TV and soundbar before turning them back on and then plug the cable in. Still no luck? Try changing the cord altogether and test it with a new one. Occasionally I find a cable to be faulty, so it's worth giving a go. For Samsung TV owners with a One remote or LG TVs with a Magic remote, you'll have a menu that you can set up a universal control and tell the TV what soundbar you have. Go through the setup so it can recognize the soundbar and test that it's connecting properly. Sometimes I've needed to use this because there's a miscommunication between the two devices, and this seems to clear it up. If all else fails, perform a hard reset on the bar or use an optical cable instead. This may not give you control over the soundbar, so you'll have to use its remote, but at least you'll have sound. This is mostly the case for older bars where the HDMI connection doesn't work. For an optical connection, make sure you've changed the audio format to PCM in the sound settings. If you've got this far and it's still not working and you've got a new TV or soundbar, then it may be worth looking to get a replacement. With that, if any of these steps helped you to fix the issue, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. And if it didn't, then let me know and I'll see if I can help. Anyway, that's all from me. See you guys soon.